I like my fried egg hard, which means that I like it cooked all the way through with a hard yolk. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you English while frying an egg. So here I have an egg, a frying pan, an oil dispenser, a salt shaker, a spatula, and that's all you need. I'm gonna put the frying pan on the stove. This is the stove. Actually, the frying pan is sitting on the grate. This is the grate, and I will switch on the burner by twisting the knob. So this is the burner where heat is generated, and this is the knob. After preheating the pan, I will add a tablespoon of oil. This is a tablespoon, which is a large spoon used for measuring food. There's also a teaspoon, which is a smaller measure. To convert between them, just remember that 3 teaspoons make 1 tablespoon. These measures are pretty common in recipes written in English. I also want to note that there is another verb that we can use with oil, which is to drizzle. To drizzle means to pour a thin stream of a liquid over some food. For example, drizzle some olive oil over the salad before serving it, or she drizzled chocolate sauce on top of the cake. Now I will crack the egg into the pan. I like my fried eggs over hard, which means that I like it cooked all the way through with a hard yolk, which is not a runny yolk. So the parts of an egg include the shell, which is the outer covering that protects the egg white, which is the clear liquid inside it, and the yolk, which is the yellow part. And about the types of eggs and levels of doneness, we have sunny side up, when you don't flip the egg and the yolk is visible on top. Usually, sunny side up eggs have a runny yolk, which means that the yolk is like a liquid. I don't like it. It feels like I am eating a raw egg. Then we have over easy eggs when the egg is flipped and the yolk is slightly cooked. Over medium when the egg is flipped but the yolk is creamy and partially cooked. And my favorite one, over hard. The egg is flipped and the yolk is fully cooked. I love it. Regarding the level of doneness boiled eggs, we have soft boiled eggs, which are cooked for 4 to 6 minutes, resulting in fully set whites, runny yolks, or slightly jammy yolks, perfect for dipping toast and serving in egg cups. Medium boiled eggs cooked for 7 to 8 minutes with a firm yolk and a creamy center, making them great for salads and snacks. Finally, hard-boiled eggs are cooked for 9 to 12 minutes with firm yolks and whites, ideal for deviled eggs as you see in the picture, ideal for sandwiches, ideal as a protein-packed snack as well. The exact timing may vary according to the egg size and cooking conditions, but experimenting and adjusting to personal preference is key. Let me know in the comments what your favorite egg doneness level is. both for boiled eggs and fried eggs. Okay, this is not boiled, but it's just... Throughout the video, I pronounced the word yolk with an L sound. I said yolk. But some people say that it's more correct to pronounce it with a silent L sound, yolk or yolk. However, there are also a large number of native speakers who pronounce the L sound in this word. And it's not at all an unusual pronunciation, and it's very much accepted in colloquial language. So you can choose if you want or if you don't want to pronounce it. Now I will flip the egg and cook until it's firm. It's firm. Now I will transfer the egg from the pan to a plate. And grab my cutlery to eat it. Yummy! Oh, I forgot the salt. Please forgive me. I'm an English teacher, not a cook. Can I add salt now? Is it okay? I think I will sprinkle some salt. To sprinkle is when you scatter a small amount of something over a surface, and it's commonly used with the word salt. Does it taste better? So delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.